Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. My name is David Oisamoje. If you're just joining me for the first time, my channel is about creating designs for print on demand site. We're talking Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, designs that sells a lot and makes you passive income. If this is what you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on these videos I'm going to be putting out. I'm going to be putting out videos consistently. I've been doing that from this beginning of the year and I won't stop now. So if that is something you're interested in, you want to make passive income, we're talking 100 to 1,000 plus dollars a month, 1,000 plus dollars a month. Please stick around, watch my videos, subscribe so that you don't miss out on daily upload. Yes, I'm going back to my daily upload. I want to stick to daily upload. Yes, there are some days I will miss it, obviously, but I'll try my best to always make sure I push out videos every single day. I did it in January, February, March. So I'm going to try my best to start that again. I've been busy with schedules, but I'm back to full upload. So without that said, let me not keep on talking and boring you with different unnecessary things. Let's go straight right to it. I'm going to be using Canva for this one. Super easy to use Canva. Super easy to use Canva. So we're going to be using Canva for this one. You can do that. You don't need to download any software. All you need is canva.com on your browser. Create a new design. Standard dimension, I will tell you right away, is 4500 by 5400. Standard dimension, pixel, nothing else, just pixel. You create your design is going to show up here. So now once your design show up here, the first step is to find your rhythm. You have your design in mind, but if you don't have your design in mind, that's where my videos come in. You can just go through my videos, my list. This is my channel. You can just go through them, just scroll as much as you want and just get inspiration, watch them and design something you want from it. So for this one, we're going to be creating something unique. So now we'll go to element. Let me go to element and just do ride. Let me do ride. Let's see what we get. Okay, let me do bike. Let me do bike and see what we'll get out of this. Let's see what we'll get out of this. If we're gonna get something. Okay, let's just keep going. Okay, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. Okay, we're just gonna increase this one. Remember, you can use elements from Canva, but you notice some of those elements are paid. If you check the first link in the description, obviously you get 30 days free on me. Yes, there's a link to get 30 days free of Canva Pro. You need Canva Pro if you're serious about print on demand. So let's increase this. Let's make it bigger. So I'll move our cursor to this edge, press down our left mouse click button and drag our mouse outward. So now we have this says it's a bike. So for this one, we're going to bring in our text. Let's bring in our text now. You can decide to leave it like this, but I don't want to leave it like that. So I'm just going to bring in my text for this one. So just wait for it to load up. As you can see, let's load up and I'll just find a good text I can use. Yes, I love this. I love this text, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, let me bring it out so that you can see it. You're going to make it bigger. You have to make it bigger. So I'm going to make it bigger. So to do that, I'll move my cursor to this edge, press my left mouse click button and drag my mouse outwards. We'll just make it bigger. Make it bigger. I want to make it as big to cover the full image length. Okay, I think this is okay. So now I'm gonna make this upper one is gonna Control A to highlight all. This one is gonna say ride. Gonna say ride, and this lower one is going to say together. So as easy as that. I would like to move this. I would like to make this ride bigger a bit. I would like to make this ride bigger, so I have to ungroup this layer, these two text layer to do that. So to do that, I'll just click on group, click outside, click on the right alone, this right alone, and just make it bigger. Move your cursor to this edge, press down your left mouse click button and just make that bigger. Make that bigger, as you can see. Okay, now we have that like so. It says ride together. So let's ride this channel together to 1K subscriber if we've not gotten there already. You guys are amazing. You can see this design didn't take us too much time. Didn't take us too much time. We're talking 5 minutes into this, so it didn't take us too much time, and we got our design ready for us. My designs, I never make them super long. I make them as easy as possible. The time it takes, we use that time. So you can see we got this one already set out. Now I'm going to talk about this white background. If you're serious about print on demand, I always say it and I won't stop saying it. You guys have to hear me when I say it. You need your designs to be without a background. You don't need your background in your design. Never do you need your design with the background. You don't need that. So all I will always advise you to do is to make sure you get Canva Pro, because if you click on download, for instance, it's going to see you get this gold crown which says this is a free version of Canva. Yeah, I don't use the free version, but I just use it for my tutorials. If you want to get the pro version, there's a link I got you covered. There's a link, the first link in the description. Use that link so that you can get pro version for 30 days on me, so that you can get rid of your design. Make as much design as you want if you know you don't want to pay after the 30 days. But I'm sure you're going to enjoy Canva. It's super cheap. It's super cheap. Canva Pro is super cheap, cheaper than Photoshop or any other software out there. It's super cheap, and this Canva is all you need for print on demand. Canva Pro is all you need for your Redbubble design, your TeePublic design, your Match by Amazon design. Canva Pro is all you need. So check the first link in the description to get that. If you're already signed up for that, you've created your design and you want to download, you just click on download with transparent background and you click on download. It's going to come with transparent but without the white background for you. You need that because you want your design to come, you want to be able to put your designs on so many colors of shirts. You don't want your design to be on one particular color. You get the drill. So that is it. So now we'll just go over to make sure we have it downloaded. Very important, you always cross check that your design is downloaded. As you can see, we have it, and see how cool looking it is. Imagine this on your shirt. It's going to be super sweet. So with that said, to your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist so that you get a drill of more design concepts. And with that done, you are good to go. You can create much designs, super easy designs. So with that, I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. One